again, ultimately, the market caught slightly by surprise that the Saudis are willing to extend beyond the second half of this year, but it's not reflected in the price.
Good morning, Yusuf. Yeah, I think this will take some time to filter through into the price because we're very low now compared to how we've been with these cuts in place, and a lot of the analysts that we've spoken to say that they think that this price is a little bit too low and that it will be coming back up. Some of the analysts are targeting mid-50s, 60s towards the end of the year. It's interesting that OPEC and Russia do come out now, well, the Saudis and Russia do come out now saying that they'd like to do this extension because it shows that they don't think that they've done enough yet to kind of mop up that glut of crude in the market. That great chart that you showed about the seasonality does show that that we may have some difficulties up ahead of us price-wise. And it kind of gives lie to what OPEC has been saying all along. They've been saying, you know, they expect demand to come back in the second half. They expect prices to firm up in the second half. You know, if they do go ahead with this to extend the cuts, as seems likely, and then to extend them even longer into 2018, it seems like they don't believe that anymore.
And Anthony, Libya is back from those disruptions, now pumping the most oil since October of 2014. How much more pressure will this put on the price?
Yeah, Sherry, that's right. They've increased, and this is one of those factors that is always there, kind of in the back of mind of OPEC and the markets, that there are a number of OPEC members that are producing well below their historic levels. You know, Libya is back up to 796,000 barrels a day, we hear, and they want to get to 800,000 by the end of the year. You know, effectively they're there, but they need to maintain that. There's fighting going on there. Ports are closed. Fields get shut in. They need to maintain that. And it's emblematic of a bigger problem that OPEC has. And again, like I said, those members that are producing below historic records. Libya previously was at 1.6 million, so they're going to be at half their historic level. Nigeria is at the lowest since the early 90s. Venezuela is also down. At the same time, you've got countries like Iraq and Iran, which are pumping close or near to historic highs, and they say they only want to increase more. So you've got the prospect of more OPEC oil coming on the market, so that really puts kind of a question mark around kind of this long-term ability here for them to really control the prices by making these cuts.